Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leland, or near Shibona, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Selmanock around 8:20 p.m. Sandwich around 8:25 p.m. Little Rock and Plain around 8:30 p.m. Yorkville around 8:35 p.m. Sugar Grove around 8:40 p.m. Aurora, Oswego, and Montgomery around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.